I'm Peppa Pig.
Welcome to the World of Peppa Pig. Pick a level for this activity. Can you match all of the pears? Pick a level for this activity. Peppa and Mummy Pig are doing some shopping today. Can you find 1 apple to add to the trolley? Can you find 2 bananas to add to the trolley? Well done! Can you find 3 pears to add to the trolley? You are very good at counting. Count the number of items on the conveyor belt and tap the correct number on the till. 1 apple. How many bananas can you see? 2 bananas. How many pears can you see? 3 pears. Can you help Peppa pack the items into the shopping basket? 1 apple. 2 bananas. 3 pears. Well done! You have packed all of the shopping. Pick a level for this activity. Spot the difference.